friends. Whether you are singing or dancing along to any of your GoNoodle favorites, you can wiggle and giggle every day as you escape for summer fun. GoNoodle, GoSummer! Here's one of my summer favorites now.
Oh, bananas!
First you form the corn, form the corn. First you form the corn, form the corn, and then you husk the corn, husk the corn, and then you husk the corn, husk the corn, and then you pop the corn, pop the corn, and then you pop the corn, pop the corn. First you form potatoes, form potatoes. First you form potatoes, form potatoes, then you slice potatoes, slice potatoes, then you slice potato, slice potato, then you mash potatoes, mash potato, then you mash potato, mash potatoes. First you form the orange, form the orange. First you form the orange, form the orange, then you peel the orange, peel the orange, then you peel the orange, peel the orange, then you squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange, then you squeeze the orange, squeeze the orange. First you form the squash, form the squash. First you form the squash, form the squash, and then you pick the squash, pick the squash, and then you pick the squash, pick the squash, and then you squash the squash, squash the squash, and then you squash the squash, squash the squashes. First you form the onions, form the onions. First you form the onions, form the onions, then you dice the onion, dice the onion, then you dice the onion, dice the onion, then you grind the onion,
Are you guys okay?
First you form banana, form banana. First you form bananas, form bananas. Then you peel bananas, peel bananas. Then you peel bananas, peel bananas. Then you go bananas, go bananas. Then you go bananas, go bananas.
That's crazy bananas. I'm a going bananas! Whoops.
Hey everybody, let's make some bread. Get your ingredients: flour, yeast, water, salt, sugar, butter. Let's go! Step 1, let's gather all we need. This recipe for bread is a tasty deed. Let's measure the flour, water, and yeast. Put it in the bowl, wait 10 minutes at least. Now shake your hands. Shaky, bakey hands. Shake your hands like a couple of pans. Shaky, bakey hands. Step 2, the dough is nice and fluffy. Add more flour, it's gonna be so yummy. It's time to mix, knead the dough. Let's shake our heads and get ready, let's go. We'll shake your head. Shaky, bakey head. Shake your head like it's full of bread. Shaky, bakey head. Step 3, we gotta let it rise and grow. Cover with a towel the tasty dough. Waiting on your counter, it will expand. While we wait, let's shake our hands. Now shake your hands. Shaky, bakey hands. Shake your hands like a couple of pans. Shaky, bakey hands. What do we do now? Oh, we have to put it someplace really hot. Where? The oven! Step 4, preheat the oven high. Turn up the heat to 375. Place the bread right on the tray. Put it in the oven and now let's play. Shake your head. Shaky, bakey head. Shake your head like it's full of bread. Shaky, bakey head. Now let's take the bread out of the oven, and it's all done. Smells good. Let's slice it up and make a sandwich. Yummy! Shaky, bakey.
Fabio's Meatball Run!
It's me, Chef Fabio. I'm on my way to visit my grandma's Filomena to bring her some juicy meatballs. Grandma's love the meatballs, just like me. Let's go. We gotta run so the meatballs don't get cold.
Duck!
Should have opened my mouth.
Jump!
Whoa, almost dropped my meatballs.
Dodge left!
That's where the banana peel belongs.
Jump!
Hello, cucaracha. I almost crashed ya.
Jump!
Anyone know who that was?
Dodge right!
Ciao, Katerina.
Duck!
Watch the antlers.
Jump!
Ooh, that will go great with my meatballs.
Dodge right!
Now there's something you don't see every day.
Duck!
Last I checked, pineapples don't fly.
Duck!
Whoa, but the drones do.
Jump!
Mamma mia, it's a long way down.
Kick!
Goal!
Jump!
Who lost their boot?
Dodge left!
Better question, who lost their piano?
Jump!
ABC gum. That's disgusting.
Dodge right!
Big Pufferson, I love your big scooter.
Jump!
Purpose too. Whip, 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 whip.
Dodge left!
That would be a lot easier in the water.
Duck!
The planes! The planes!
Dodge left!
Excuse me, chimpanzee.
Duck!
Now that's a flyable.
Jump!
Oh, nice to see you, Shelly.
Kick!
Now you see it, now you don't.
Dodge right!
A duck riding a bear? That's so weird.
Dodge left!
A frog riding an ostrich? Totally normal.
Jump!
Did anyone catch the license plate on that thing?
Duck!
Who would throw away a perfectly good meatballs?
Jump!
That pig knows how to party.
Jump!
Fried ham? Where's the cheese and bologna?
Dodge right!
That's one funny bunny.
Jump!
I was almost in a pickle. Well, on a pickle.
Dodge right!
Hey, you've got the mail.
Duck!
Mr. B. Frisbee.
Kick! Dodge left!
Those are talented cats. Ciao, Grandmouse Filomena. I brought to you your favorite meatballs.
Grazie, Fabio. Such a good boy. Now I can have a meatball hero sandwich. You remember the bread, didn't you?
Well, I'll be right back.
Fabio! Get me some mozzarella, too! Ay, ay, ay. Classic Fabio.
How to make chocolate pizza. You'll need 1 8-inch whole wheat tortilla, 2 tablespoons of chocolate spread, 4 fresh strawberries sliced, half a banana peeled and sliced, and a butter knife.
The only thing better than making a chocolate pizza is eating it.
Step 1. Use the butter knife to cover the tortilla with chocolate spread. Leave a little bit around the edge for the crust. Step 2. Arrange the banana slices evenly around the tortilla.
Like sweet yellow pepperoni.
Step 3. Fill the empty spaces with the strawberry slices. You can get schmancy if you want. Step 4. Cut your chocolate pizza into 4 wedges. Step 5. Grab 3 friends and have a chocolate pizza party!
Don't mind if I do. Hey, any chance you're making another pie? Extra banana-roni?
Do the pizza dance. Pizza, pizza, pizza.